Hi, this is Chef Ernest Cervantes. Today I'm going to show you how to be a pitmaster on your gas grill. Today we'll be making this beautiful cedar plank mahi with pasta. The first thing we need to do is go ahead and soak our cedar plank for about an hour. You can go over, is great, under, not so great. We don't want it to be burning while it's on there. What we want it to do is just have a nice smoldering effect. While that's soaking, we'll go ahead and start our pasta. Today we're going to be using a capellini pasta, which is an angel hair pasta. You want to cook it till it's medium or al dente, as I say. While the pasta's going, we're going to work on our mahi. We got a beautiful cut, about 6 to 7 ounces of mahi. We're going to keep it simple, guys. Get liberal with our seasoning. Don't be shy. Salt and pepper. Make sure we get all the sides. And once we're done here, we're going to go ahead and put it on the cedar plank. Now, if you had 2 fillets, you can stack next to them, or if you needed 4, you would do this with 2 planks. But since we're doing one, put it right in the middle. Now it's time to put it on the grill. Preheat your grill to about 350 or medium-high heat if you have a gas grill. We want to leave it in there for about 20 to 30 minutes until it's white and flaky. While that's cooking, the best part, the sauce. Very simple sauce. We're going to start off with some butter. We're going to melt the butter, add our garlic. You just want to saute your garlic until it's nice and aromatic. You can start smelling the garlic coming out. Then you know it's when you got to add your white wine. 1/4 cup of white wine and a juice of 2 lemons. Bring that to a simmer, reduce by half. So it's been about 20 minutes. The mahi smells amazing. Now it's time to plate up. So first we have our plate right here. Now we're going to put the pasta. This is the wow factor when it comes to having your friends over. They're not going to believe you did this on a gas grill. Oh yeah, this mahi smells amazing. It's got a beautiful golden brown. Get a spatula, put your mahi over. You get your sauce, drizzle it right on top. I like to use it all because butter and garlic make everything happy. Get 2 lemons, make it look fancy. Nice green onions. There you have it. Cedar plank, mahi, pasta, and a lemon butter sauce. Simple, easy, but yet gourmet.